Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to share with you a site we use all the time at work. It's called dlvr.it. The company I work for is called siliconinvestor.com. It's an investment chat site that was started back in 1995, and we have thousands and thousands of members from all over the world and millions of posts over the years. And what it is basically it's a chat site you can talk about anything to do with stocks, different tips, different ways of investing. There's other subjects in there, politics and food you can talk about, but mainly it's all based around stocks. And the program we use is called dlvr.it. And what we have is we have a Twitter account and we have a Facebook account. And we post about 20 messages a day to those accounts using dlvr.it. And the great thing about dlvr.it is, this is what you can do. All these sites here you can post to. All these sites here is when you have your post ready, you paste it in, you click one time, and it's all sent to all of these sites once you have it all set up. It's really, really cool. So I showed you it in action here. So we're logging to dlvr.it right now. So let's do a new post. Let's go back to the Apple board. We'll hide the ticker and the stock price. Go back and we'll do a post. Do a hashtag with Apple. It's about Apple computer. Format this. Have a news story. Just take a portion of this news story and post it. Paste it in. Showing it over our 280 characters. Let's get a link now. Now, automatically post an image for you automatically, but we're going to have a custom one set up. So let's click on this little camera. We'll select. We have it uploaded already. It's an image of Apple. So click on both of these sites. Now, if you want to copy both of these sites, all you have to do is just copy and paste it. All I have to do now is just click share now, and it will send one to Facebook and one to Twitter, because that's only two we have working is Twitter and Facebook. So we send about 20 of these out a day. So let's get rid of Facebook and just send one off to Twitter. I'll show how it's done here. You can also do schedules. You can schedule it to go at a certain time or a certain day. So it works really well. So we'll do this one right now. We'll send a tweet out right now and I'll show how it works. So we'll share it now with Twitter. Take a few seconds for it to show up. There it is. There's our tweet, post, and gives you a short link. Click on that. Takes you to the website. You have a board on the website. So it works out really well for us. Before we had to do it manually. We have to copy it to Twitter, then go to the Facebook page and copy and paste everything in the Facebook page, upload the photos to each individual site. This did it all automatically for us. I think you get about 5 to 10 free posts a day, but we're doing about 20 a day, so we have to pay for our pro membership, which works out to be about $99.50 a year for a pro membership. But it works out really good for us. To add new socials, or just click on that, add social, and you can add new socials, set it up, and your business. So it works out really well for us. It makes tweeting and sending out posts to Facebook very, very fast, and we save a lot of time. So I just want to pass along this tip to you guys. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below where you can go to Deliver It and check it out. It's a free sign up. And just give it a try. So that's just a fast overview on Deliver It. Like I said, we use this site every day. About 20 messages go out every day on Twitter and Facebook, and it works out really, really well for us. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. New videos every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.